Their day starts at sunrise, and these cattle are hungry for their feed. What the cattle don't know is how vital they are to this NDSU research team.
It's really important to us, and that's how I teach my students.
Each project they do is different from one another, including what cattle they study, what the cattle are fed, and how much the cattle eat. They're held in these enclosures and can be watched 24/7 and managed by Sarah Underdahl, who's been the manager of the complex since 2013.
We can access the animal across any point of its body. Here we might do a carcass ultrasound.
Student assistants, like graduate student Lydia Hansen, help keep track of how much feed was left uneaten from the night before, otherwise known as a bunk call.
I think it's a learning opportunity not only for the graduate students and for the technicians involved.
They then gather the feed that the cattle will eat for today, following a strict diet. The feed is then measured and loaded into a truck. Then, it's feeding time for the cattle. They patiently wait for their food to be dispersed into these blue bins where they'll eat out of. But what separates this research complex from others in the nation? The answer? Technology.
It's the research that we can create and the data that we can collect for those trials in terms of not only intake but behavior as well.
Underdahl takes pride in being able to work with students as well as creating a safe and healthy environment for her cattle.
We really work our cattle in a low stress manner, so there's a lot of things throughout this building that help with that.
With photographer Matthew Stewart, Hunter Schwartz, Campus News.